Hello. Today I will show you how to increase your download speed on Epic Games. But first I will ask you to like and subscribe because it would help me a lot. Let's begin. First you have to go to the start bar and then look for Computer Management. Here you will need to go to Device Manager and then Network Adapters. Right-click on your Internet board and select Update Driver. As you can see, I already have the newest version, but if you don't, it will be updated. After that, go back to the search bar and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Here you will need to paste 3 commands. All commands are in the description. Copy the first command. Right-click and press Enter. Your internet will stop. Copy the third command and paste it and press Enter. And after, your internet will return to normal. Now you will have to go back to the start bar and look for the control panel. Here you will need to click on View Network Status and Tasks. Then go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your internet. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. After clicking on the properties, here the assurance that the first box is checked. Here type what I typed too. Then press OK and close the Windows bar. Enter the start bar again and search for Run. Searching for %appdata%. Then go to AppData. Local. Epic Games Launcher. Save. Config. Windows. Double-click on Engine. Here we will have to paste an order. If there is something in the notepad, delete it. Copy my order from the description and paste it here. Then save the file. Then close everything and restart the PC. After restarting the PC, enter Epic Games. Then enter the Task Manager and you will have to go to Details. Here look for Epic Games Launcher and set the priority to High. Close everything. And now you need to have a faster download of any game on Epic Games. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.